Welcome back. We have a vegetable dish today, and to add a little twist to it, we're going to add some bacon to it. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to cook our string beans down. We're going to add them to boiling water. Cook them down for about 15 minutes or so. All right, while we're cooking our string beans down, we're going to cook 3 slices of bacon. I cut them in half to fit in the pan better. We're going to cook these down real good. All right, we're cooking our bacon down. We're going to get it down cooked real good to a crisp, and then we'll set it aside. All right, we're going to take our bacon out. We're going to put it on a cutting board with a paper towel because we're going to sob all this grease up. We'll try to take some of the grease off as we take it out. What you want to do is try to sob some of this grease off of here. Let this cool down just slightly. Next, we're going to add our chopped onions. I put this through the chopper. Go right into the bacon fat. Where we have our onions sauteed here in the bacon grease. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add some other stuff. We're going to add some balsamic vinegar. I'm going to add some sugar. Keep it stirring. You want to make like a little paste out of this. Add some salt. And then we want to add some pepper. Crushed black pepper. Get all the onions coated. We're going to cook this down just a little bit. We're going to add our green beans that have been cooked and strained. And we want to coat them. Get that heat off at this point. Turn the heat off. You can leave it on real low if you're on a gas burner. Now for the treat, the bacon. Mix that bacon up. There you have it, that's done. All right, let's give this a try. This smells amazing. The sugar sweetens it up. Let's grab some bacon here. Balsamic vinegar gives it a nice twist to it. Yeah, this is a very tasty side vegetable dish. It does have bacon in it, so not quite 100% vegetable, but it's a very excellent tasting dish. Until next time, this is the Classical Gourmet, wishing you happy cooking.